Welcome back to another edition of Project Dees Nutz. Where the projects change, that's why you come around. 'Cause these nuts bring smiles to your little frowns. COVID's why I need ya back here at Project Dees. Well, he's drinking a lot, but Corona hits the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. How y'all doing? Project Dees Nutz. Unofficially sponsored by Corona. One of these days, either Corona or Ellen DeGeneres is going to get a hold of me. And then I'll be a millionaire. I feel like $100. The jerk. Hey everybody. Alright, so last time we did the Chinese signs, I found out there's a Chinese market by me close by, so I'm gonna stop over there later and see if I can get something for my embellishment on those Chinese signs. But that's what we did last time. How about that? One video, one project, start to finish, bam. How do you like our new... What do they call that? Format. Our new format. That's our new format. Every video is going to be one thing, start to finish. Enough of this, doing 4 things, taking 5 videos to show you a final thing. You people tune in. You want to see me make something from start to finish. That's what I understand. So that's what I'm doing. So from now on, it's going to be one project every show. That's it. Start to finish. Finish to end. Finish to start. All right. So today, I was commissioned to do another Ohio sign, and I really didn't show too much in depth on what we did on that. So I'm going to show you a little more on that one. But don't worry, it's going to be a short video, so don't worry about it. So we'll get to the Ohio sign, and you'll see the end result. This one I'm going to make out of red Jasper. Jasper! Jasper! Where's the dog? I didn't know he had a dog. Alright, so hope you like the new shows. Bada bing, bada boom. You live and learn. I told you, it's a learning curve. From those of you from the beginning, you know the learning curve. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so I've been commissioned to make another Ohio out of a slab. This is red Jasper. What I did was I glued it down to the rock, and then I covered it with clear packing tape, because I'm going to try to cut the big sides with the tile saw, and I don't want the state to get wet and wear off. So we'll see how that goes. So we're making more aged wood for the other frames and projects. So all I did, I started out, I just painted white gloss on there, and I like it better when you put the wood outside for 6 months and it turns all gray. It's nicer. I think it comes out nicer, but we're gonna add gray to this anyways. So we painted it, and can y'all see this? Just using the edge of the sander. Yes, I love sanding. It is my life. And then every once in a while you might want to do a couple side scratches, like, oh yeah. And you have this look then. And then we're going to paint the gray over that. Okay? Good. Alright. We've sanded them all. They all look like this. Now we're going to add the gray. Get yourself a little palette. Dip your paint in there. And this is like an 89-cent brush over at Walmart. This is the kind you need because of the way the bristles are. You know, if you were like painting a quality paint job, you don't want to use one of these. But for this, it works perfect. You just dip a little bit into your paint. Ooh. Just lightly drag down and like get harder each time you go. And I want to try to cover up some of these bald spots a little bit. Dipping, dipping. Do we see this? Do we see this? And then if you want a line, you're going to shoot the line. Okay? So now you got that. And then once we get done with this, then I put a coat of polyurethane on there to make it all shiny, like we're trying to make something ugly pretty. It's pretty ugly anyways. And like I say, it looks a lot better if you've got the time. Take some old sticks or whatever you're going to make your frame out of and put them out in the backyard and just turn them over every day. And they'll get nice and sun bleached. They'll get a nice gray patina on them. And like it'll actually start to like rot, but you don't want to leave them out there that long that they're going to rot. And then when you paint the white and then you sand it, instead of seeing the bald wood like Dees Nutz, then you'll get that natural gray patina from underneath. From under. People say, "Excuse me, Mr. Dees Nutz." Why do they always say excuse me? They're very polite people when they ask questions. "Excuse me, Mr. Dees Nutz. How the heck do you come up with this stuff?" You gotta do a lot of drugs to keep up with this guy. Just kidding. Don't do drugs, kids. Corona. Drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive or operate heavy equipment. Light equipment's okay, I guess, like a lawnmower. Just don't stick your hand underneath it. So we're gonna do that. And we finished up the frames. We got the varnish on the frames. Those are going good. You can see those hanging in the back here. And so we got those frames going for the new Ohio state sign. And we're going to do this kanji ganji. Yeah! Okay, now I'm going to do the Columbus sign. So I'm going to stencil the word Columbus on this wood. That'll tell me how wide I can be. And then I'll cut the other ones the same size. I'm going to do 4. And then I'm going to rip this skinny for a frame around these boards. For a frame around these boards. Okay? Okay, so we got this all framed up for the Ohio sign. I don't know if you can see this. Columbus. Now it's time to paint. I also cut the back piece, which I will attach thusly so it sits on the shelf. Cool. Let's do this. Let's Let's light this candle. Okay, so I nailed that on. I got to do my white putty on there. Painted it, Columbus. Now we will glue Ohio onto the board with E6000. Sponsored by Corona. Not really. Drink responsibly. Martha snapping. Be back. Here's the finale on the Columbus sign. This is the second one. Came out pretty nice. So nice. Very nice. And then the kickstand. The Dees Nutz kickstand. Very cool, everybody. So if you want one of these with your state on it and the city name written on it, it's only $60. DM me. Turn upward. Picking your nose again, Martha. Oy vey, everybody. Oy vey, everybody. Say, that's a nice sombrero you got there, Pilgrim. Hola, señores y señores. Hey, see? I redid my wall of fame, put my Chinese decorations up, and if I remove my sombrero, hola, señor. You could see my Corona sign above my door. I know it's not too bright in here. Nighttime has fallen. Look, it's a full moon. All right. So, what did we do today? Today was the flip-flops. The flip-flop. The flim-flam. Showed you how to stencil that. Oh, no, I can't do that one right now. Sorry, wrong video. Never mind. See, what I'm trying to do here, people, is I'm going to change the way the shows run. I'm going to start a project and end it in the same video. And hopefully there'll be shorter videos, and you'll be able to see the beginning of a project and the end in one episode, instead of doing 4 or 5 projects at a time and showing you 12 different things and freaking me out, man. Today was the Mr. Dees Nutz, you say a lot, and I'm even working off my notes. Fast and Furious right there. Oh, the Ohio sign. So we finished that Ohio sign. I wanted to show you how I was grinding it, but it would be just irritating for you to listen to that. And as I said, those are $60 if anybody wants one with their state on it. You can add whatever city you want to it. Can't get much bigger than that, though. They're only about, I don't know, if you cut the crust off your bread and then some, that's about the size of it. That's about the size of it. I can give you measurements later. But yeah, that was a fun trip, right? Yeah, that's cool. All right. Well, next time we're going to do a flip-flop sign. Cat's out of the bag. We're going to do a flip-flop sign. I saw a sign in the store. It was the outline of a flip-flop, and it said, Life is better in flip-flops or something like that. So I was like, I can make that. So I made one. So you'll see that the next episode. All right. As always, everybody, telling you, God bless you. May He bless your family. May He sustain you. May He hold you, keep you close, and protect you from this stupid world we're living in right now. We can only do what we can only do. Excuse me. Mother, I think he's drunk again. Don't listen to him. It's only the corona talking. But yeah, it's nuts out there. And so all we can do is what we can do. Life is only as good as you make it. So make it good. Make it. Be it. Danny. Be life. Good. Hold yourself. Life. Good. You can do this, Danny. Be the ball. See the ball. Hit the ball, Danny. Hey, Smells! I bet you $5,000 you missed the shot. Oh, looks good on you, though. Oh, Caddyshack, that's a classic. All right, kids. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a great day. Have a great week. We'll see you again soon.